Hey everybody, welcome back. Another ChatGPT tutorial. Today we're going to talk about strategies, different prompts you can use to generate different types of outcomes. Before that, I just would like to ask you to please subscribe, please like, do whatever. I need some feedback. I'm grinding out here, trying to grind content every day, and I'm going to keep grinding. But thank you for watching. Now, with that being said, let me just jump right into it. So this video is going to be about prompts I've saved up. There's like a bunch of fun prompts I've seen people talk about, and I'm going to show a couple of them that are really, really, really nice, and like their potential for leveraging ChatGPT. Okay, so this prompt is my go-to for like making any prompt I need. Like if I don't know how to make a prompt whatsoever, I found this one when I was early in starting my ChatGPT career, or yeah, my career, my use, my relationship with ChatGPT, and this is to generate a prompt. So essentially it is, I want you to become my prompt engineer. Your goal is to help me craft best possible prompt for my needs. The prompt will be used by you, ChatGPT. You will follow the following process. It's going to ask me what the prompt should be about. I will provide the answer, but we will need to improve it through continual iterations going through the next steps. Based on my input, you will generate two sections. A, revised prompt. Provide my rewritten prompt. It should be clear, concise, and easily understood by you. B, questions. Any irrelevant questions pertaining to what additional information is needed for me to improve the prompt. We'll continue this iterative process with me providing additional information to you and you updating the prompt in the revised prompt section until I say we're done. So we're just going to launch it just to kind of see how it goes. Bam. I will say I'm using 4. I don't like 3.5 is fine, but I have 4, so I'm just going to use 4 just for these purposes. So what topic do we want to talk about? I want to talk about weight loss. And pretty much it's just going to feed you prompts until you're happy with it, until you're satisfied with it, and then ask you a bunch of bulleted questions. So essentially you just put a number 1 and then answer the question. Are you looking for a general? 2, no pref. It can, like, just for the sake of the video, I mean, normally you'd want to type that out just so it wouldn't make any mistakes, but it does recognize like certain like chat slang and like abbreviations and stuff like that. What is my physical activity and fitness? A lot. Or wait, just for the sake of the video, I am pretty active, but just for the sake of the video, I just want to show in the video like what happens. ASAP. You can answer as detailed as you want. You can answer as like little as you want. It's still going to it'll still work just as effectively. It just all depends on what you want. You know what I mean? Like, it's a lot easier to answer questions than come up with them yourself. So like this type of strategy is really strong for like creating a good prompt. Do I have any health concerns? I party every day, baby. Just tips. No one cares why. I just want to lose weight, you know what I'm saying? And see, let's compare. How can I effectively and sustainably lose weight, considering dietary changes, exercise routines, and lifestyle adjustments, while also balancing personal responsibilities, maintaining overall well-being? So we head down. What are some effective general weight loss strategies focusing on practical tips that can be easily incorporated into a lifestyle with minimal physical activity? Emphasis on quick results and methods that can be maintained alongside a social lifestyle. That's nice. I said partying, but yeah. Oh, there we go. Such as regular partying. Maybe I should finish the sentence before I start making commentary on it. Are you interested in learning about specific types of diets? That's good enough for me, you know what I mean? Like, these questions, they can go on and on and on and on until I said I'm done. Good prompt. I'm good. And you just be like, punch that in and reply to it, please. We'll just say the, let's see what it gives us. After this, I got a couple more. We can just run over real quick. There's just like 3 of the ones that I like the most that I saved, and I just wanted to show you guys, just to like show you what ChatGPT can do. Like, it's good to have strategies. It's good to have a lot of strategies. A lot of people are working on ChatGPT, so if you just look on the internet and just look stuff up, a lot of people are giving away this stuff for free, and they'll just help you. You know what I mean? You use their stuff, and then you'll develop your own little style of using it, and then tailor it to your needs and stuff like that. Sorry. All right, so this is my second one. I like productivity. I like efficiency and optimization. That's like what I'm really into. I like number go up. That's me. So like I like Pareto principle. If you've heard of Pareto principle, it pretty much means that like 20% of the in a system, 20% of the producers produce 80% of the results, or something along the lines of that. Pareto, it's a system of just thinking of like focusing on your, listing all of your actions and then picking the highest performing actions, because it seems to be, just look up Pareto. You can look into it. But yeah, so let's go topic. Let's go like making YouTube videos. Right, so I mean, like, using the Pareto principle, it is now formulating a plan for me to like systematize my YouTube video creation time. And you can do this with any topic. Yeah. From the top here, let's see what we got here. Understanding the YouTube platform, 20% of the time. Objective growth fundamentals, YouTube content platform. Analyze top performing YouTube channels in your niche. Set up your own YouTube channel, exploring different. Yeah. I mean, I should have been more specific. Like, obviously, I have a YouTube channel. I have a lot of videos and stuff like that. Like, I know a bunch of this stuff already, but just for the sake of, you can do this like lifting, weight loss, or I mean, we already talked about that, or like whatever you want. I don't know. I'm not you. I'm not trying to like provide too many specific examples because I want you to get creative with it. You know what I mean? But so this is just a simple, fun one. It just gives you a starter point to like start working on a project. You know what I mean? That's why I love this. That's why I like Pareto. And there's that one, and then I'll just run over this next one real quick. All right, so this is actually one for fun. You could use it. You can probably get really super educated. I'm probably underutilizing this prompt. This one's actually really cool. So this is, please forget all, this is my education prompt. This is like create a course on anything. This is where like, once I saw this prompt, I knew that like college is over for everybody. As soon as they get AI down like to like correctly teach people things, the college education system is gone. So I'm sorry, everybody who went to college. Like everybody else is gonna get it for 20 cents. Anyway, sorry. So this one is, please forget all prior prompts. You will become the most well-published and well-known expert blank professor at an Ivy League university. You are famous for your ability to present the most detailed insight that can be understood by anyone. I am a new first-year student enrolled in your introductory course. Please create a comprehensive, detailed, organized syllabus to teach me blank. Please include detailed examples of step-by-step lists to demonstrate concepts. When this task is completed, please ask me when I'm ready to proceed with the full course. When I say proceed, please present blah, 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 blah. Pretty much it's generating an entire course, an intro course. And there's different variations to this where you can like make more sections and stuff like that. But then since you transform it into a professor, you could build upon the course yourself. You know what I'm saying? So like, for instance, for fun, I made like a business administration, a BAA degree. So we're just going to go BAA, and then like, fun story, it gave me an intro course. It went over all the topics. I sent the syllabus to my buddy who did get a business administration degree, and he says, yeah, that was a lot of what I covered. So then, okay, so then, that being said, let's punch it in and see what happens. Or not BAA, yeah, business administration, I'm sorry. BAA is different, I'm so sorry. So yeah, you get a syllabus. It'll give you, this is the teacher side. It tells you, all the things of like what you're going to be teaching your intro course at your first year. But we're going to try to compact it down, or whatever. And it says, are you ready to start? And you can start the class yourself. Plus, it's nice though because you're getting sections, and then it's going to quiz you everything. Like it's going to go over everything, and you're going to read it. You're going to be taught the information, and then it's going to quiz you and then you can have it so that there's a pass-fail, and then you're not allowed to pass or go to the next section until you pass, or something along the lines of that. Like, there's a lot of utility here. There's a lot of utility in education and stuff like that. And ChatGPT, I'm not saying it's there where college is gone. I'm saying, like, this is very, useful. Obviously, there's a lot of utility in this type of thing, like education. You can educate yourself, self-learn in your free time whenever you want. You got your cell phone, you got ChatGPT Plus, boom. Pow. Pop this in, start teaching yourself a course on whatever. You can make a course up, and ChatGPT is going to try to make a relevant course based on what you want. So it's like, for instance, I'm going to make a new course. Let's just make a new course. And then we're going to be like a poop x a poop. What do I say? Waste management Pokemon. I mean, I'm just trying to get just trying to get silly here just to see what it does. You know, I haven't done anything like this, but we can. You know what I mean? It's gonna try to generate. It's gonna try. It's not a person. It's not gonna say you're stupid, and I'm not doing that. It's gonna say genius. This is genius. And Pokemon. This is amazing. Anyway, yeah. So I mean, like, there's infinite possibilities here. Like, sky's the limit when it comes to educating yourself. This is like my favorite prompt ever. Like, prompt engineer, Pareto, and then these are my like top 3 for like just general use. A lot of value, a lot of, you know. I can't stop laughing. I'm sorry. I can't believe I just did that. We're gonna grade, but anyway, yeah. So I'm gonna try to calm down. Anyway. So, like, the utility here is like, say you want to apply this in a real educational frame, because obviously you can't just say, yo, I got my ChatGPT 4.0, yeah, hire me, and then put it on your resume. I'm sure people could try that, and I'm sure you can get some schmuck to, like, hire you based on that, because whatever, you know, it is the world. Humans are humans. They're going to do whatever. But the thing is like, you could take this, and then you could go try to get certifications in a field, you know what I mean? Like, it'll get you somewhere, you know what I mean? I'm sure you could get like your GED just by having it pretend to be your high school, like a high school professor, a high school teacher, and then give you the entire GED syllabus. And I'm pretty sure you'd be able to pass the GED. You know what I mean? So without having to like go to those study guide things or self-study. I mean, I don't know. So like, very least you could get like your GED just off ChatGPT. I'd be willing to bet money that you could do that. But like, I don't know the limit to this, but it seems like that you could get, if you really hunkered down and just wanted to educate, you could do multiple iterations of this, and you would get a lot of the bulk education for a lot of subjects being taught to you, so that you'd be able to go hunt down certifications in a lot less time and a lot less money. Because I'm not sure how the whole education system works, but I know like my mom was like a software engineer for a while, and she would get like Microsoft certifications. So like they would just send her a test, or she would go get tested at a certified area, and then she would get her certification, and now she was able to, you know, put that forth to show to businesses that she knew her stuff. So I mean, like, there's that. So that concludes everything here in this tutorial. Strategies, you know, my 3 favorite prompts for ChatGPT. This will really, you know, open it up to you, and then, you know, just combine this with like the basics, and then just kind of mix and mash and do your thing. Just keep using ChatGPT. You'll get better. You'll be a lot more productive. So get out there and get creating, and have a good day. Peace.